the dodo bird was extinct because people were eating them. And it was like a turkey, and they couldn't fly because their wings weren't that big. And they're too fat. Most of the dodo birds were extinct in 1680. Thanks for watching. If you're watching this, subscribe or leave a like.